Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. 1998 Mach 1. Happy birthday to you.
Quiet. Now,
Are you ready?
like to watch.
What?
What do you mean for what? You know what today is.
It's a giveaway!
Are you excited? Yeah. Nala, you excited? Yeah. What's Bink say? Alright. I don't know why I can't do this all the time. We're telling you guys, it's like a search and destroy. There she is. We found her. What you hiding for? Are you excited? Not really. No? Okay. Oh man guys, what is going on today? The Creator here, back with another video, and I am in my kitchen. Yeah, it got too dark outside. Well, it's not really dark, but it's too dark. We gotta do the giveaway. So here's all the people that have entered into the giveaway, just to make sure I got all the names out. And yeah, they can't really see that. I don't know. Okay. If you see your name in here twice, that means you watched the video. And we're not ready for that yet.
Get down.
We're not ready for that.
Get down.
Okay.
No, sir.
Here's all the names that was in it. And if you see your name in here twice, that means you watched the video and you understood that you could enter in more than once. If you haven't watched the video, then I mean, you missed out. Sorry. There's gonna be another giveaway, but later down the line. But let's go ahead and get started with this giveaway. I know y'all waiting for it. All right, can I get you to fold or flip? It doesn't matter. I was gonna say fold, just I don't know what we're gonna do here.
Well, you can fold them and just, if they'll stay closed.
Yeah. Here, let me help you with my one hand. Or
Let's say you have a stand.
we have a stand.
Oh.
Time lapse. Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes. I ain't gonna look and see who I'm gonna pick, or do you want to pick?
I don't care.
Okay, well,
You can do it.
okay, I'm picking, I guess. Alright. Try to get this in the picture. Alright, close my eyes.
You're nowhere near it.
Where is it? Okay.
Go down.
Is the camera on it? Because I can't tell.
Yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it on me with my eyes?
Yes.
Okay.
Just don't move it. Are ready? Pick.
What?
Pick.
Oh, I was supposed to pick right there?
Yeah.
God. I don't know which one I want to pick.
Oh my gosh.
It's like I know it. No, I don't know. I'm being serious. Okay.
You're messing them all up.
I'm gonna pick this one. Alright, move all the other ones away. Alright, this right here in my hand is the winner. Alright. But before we announce the winner, sorry, I gotta do that. Are you trying to peek?
No.
Why are you trying to peek? We're not supposed to peek yet.
I'm excited.
Okay. But I just want to say thank you. Please on. I can't speak. I'm too excited. Please continue on with the support because I can't do it without you guys. So drum roll, please. I have the thing for drum roll.
Oh.
But you can do that. It don't matter.
No, I'm good. I'm gonna finish my popsicle.
Wow.
They always comment on my stuff on Instagram.
You know who that is? That's what you call this brother?
That's so cool. This whole time I did not know who that was. Ta-da!
Congratulations, man. You are getting. Do he have a Mustang? I don't think he even have a Mustang, do he?
I don't know.
He wants to though.
Yeah.
So, or since he don't even have a Mustang, he get a Mustang shirt. They have shirts there and keychains and stuff like that. So he can get Mustang stuff if you don't have a Mustang. But this is his Instagram. It's motorcycles_memes_ and the spelled out and not the symbol and _more. Ain't that right, Night? Night.
Say something.
Okay.
You ain't gonna say anything?
Anyway, congratulations. All right, guys. There's gonna be another chance because I'm gonna keep doing these giveaways because I don't know. That kind of felt good. So, what? I can't feel good.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Jacob, I'm gonna go ahead and get you your gift card, and then I gotta figure out who can make my merchandise because I literally just figured out how to make the merchandise. So if you want some merchandise, you want to help out with the channel or anything like that, the link is below. Like, comment, subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Who want to close it out? Which one y'all want to close out? Night, you want to close it out?
You gonna close it out?
You gonna close out, Night?
Look at the camera.
Night, you gonna close out the video? Close it out. Hey, Chuck, close out the video.